In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your MailChimp newsletter on Facebook. With the ever-growing integration of email marketing and social media, reaching your audience on more than one platform has become not just beneficial, but essential. So, let's dive right into how you can maximize your reach by sharing your crafted newsletters on Facebook straight from MailChimp. First and foremost, you'll need to access your MailChimp account. Start by navigating to the MailChimp login page. Here you're greeted with a straightforward login screen. Simply enter your username or email into the appropriate field. Once that's done, proceed to type in your password. With all your details correctly entered, hitting the login button will take you into your MailChimp dashboard, kicking off our journey into cross-platform marketing. Upon entering MailChimp, direct your attention to the navigation and locate the campaigns section. This area is crucial as it houses all your marketing campaigns, including the newsletters you're eager to share. Clicking on campaigns opens up a world of your crafted messages, and here's where you choose which newsletter you'd like to showcase on Facebook. Select the campaign of your choice by clicking on it. After selecting your campaign, a few essential steps follow for it to be Facebook ready. You'll need to ensure that your campaign has recipients by clicking on Add Recipients, and then choosing an audience from the list presented. This step is fundamental as it defines who gets to see your newsletter. Once your audience is set, don't forget to hit save to lock in your choices. Next up, draw attention to your newsletter by adding a compelling subject. Click on Add Subject to introduce a subject line that resonates with your audience and sets the right expectations about the content. After typing in your subject, remember to click Save to preserve your hard work. The journey doesn't end here. Connecting your newsletter to Facebook is the next critical step. Look for the option to connect Facebook within your campaign settings. This action redirects you to Facebook where you'll be prompted to log in. So, proceed to input your Facebook credentials, enter your email, followed by your password. After logging in, Facebook will request your permission to connect with MailChimp. Click Continue to grant the necessary permissions, sealing the bridge between MailChimp and Facebook. With the connection established, it's time to customize how your newsletter appears on Facebook. Click the button to activate the Facebook post feature within MailChimp, and then dive into adding images. Adding visually appealing images is key to catching the eye of your Facebook audience. So take a moment to select images that best represent your newsletter's content. Once satisfied with your image selection, it's time to finalize the message element of your post. Click on Save Message once you've crafted a captivating post that accompanies your newsletter. The final step in our journey involves making the magic happen. Actually sending your newsletter to not only your email list, but also to Facebook. Find and click the button labeled Send to schedule your post. A follow-up option labeled Send Now appears, providing you the option to either schedule for a later time or to dispatch your newsletter immediately into the waiting inboxes and feeds of your audience. And there you have it. A simple yet effective walkthrough on how to extend the reach of your MailChimp newsletters by sharing them onto Facebook. This method not only multiplies your audience reach, but also harmonizes your messaging across platforms, giving your marketing strategy a cohesive and unified voice. Remember, consistency is key in digital marketing, and by leveraging tools like MailChimp and Facebook together, you're poised to create a more engaging and interactive experience for your audience. Happy sharing, and here's to your success in bridging email marketing with social media presence.